Hey guys, Chris with Cignals here. This is the fourth weekly Bitcoin Market Pulse. Hope you had a great week of trading. If you remember last week when we left off, we were talking about just a mixed bag of internals going into this run higher, which it was, but we started to get some nice CD spikes, and the volume did start to come back. So it was kind of interesting to see just people taking profits into these higher levels. You got some range expansion here, a lot of people taking profits and trying to, I'm sure, get short. And then you got, again, range expansion, now jockeying for position back and forth. A lot of people taking profits again on some maybe newly established positions, or again maybe averaging in, trying to get short, who knows. But we did stay here for quite a bit. There was a lot of fighting between buyers and sellers, creating a lot of imbalance, a lot of unfinished auctions. And then finally, we get to the Jesus candle on Bitfinex, which started that initial move towards 9100, right? So if you look at that a little bit closer, you see here that you had 44 BTC hit the bid at the bottom of this move, right? A lot of people, or a lot of people were very sure that, because the volume died completely, and it wicked down roughly, $300 a candle or something like that. Hits the bottom here, 44 BTC onto the bid, and then if you traded on Finex, I'm not sure how long anybody who's watching this has been in the space, but like if you've been on there since 2013, it's nothing but machines and large, maybe whale type market maker people on there. Then you have like normal traders, like guys like me, right? So they suckered a bunch of people in down here, and then it's nothing but absorbed. And we almost had a finished auction, but it was so heavily absorbed that it blew the top off this candle, created a buy imbalance at the top, and lifted us back to basically 9,500, created a new high for that move, puts in the finished auction at the new high, and then essentially we go sideways and we go back to a mixed bag of internals. You know what I mean? It was very interesting to see in real time. If you guys were following in real time, hopefully you made money on that move. But yeah, a lot of unfinished business, as you can see here, just tons of unfinished business, creating a congestion area. Again, it starts getting mixed. But if you zoom back out, you'll see it starts getting a little crazy. There's a lot of fighting. You see all these bands of unfinished auctions creating that very tight, narrow congestion and trading area, scalper's paradise they call it, right? Until you get moves like this where the floor falls out on you a little bit. And again, it's mixed at best, very light delta, but this move down was a little bit heavier. But again, if you look at it, it's very evenly split. But you do eventually get some support, and we lift back to new highs on this candle right here, creating a lot of buy and balance along the way. So we're going to be watching for that top, and here we are at the present moment. We dipped back down, created new lows again, very mixed the whole way. So just keep your eyes out. Be vigilant. Don't just jump in FOMO. Pick your levels and trade accordingly. My levels are at this point like 9100 is looking real solid. Unless we break down past 8790, I really can't make a case to like get short, or I've been waiting at some levels with big positions and trying to scalp what I can. This is getting to a point where it's like, unless we really get below 8,500 and then below 7,700, this has got some legs. So keep it tight, but use signals to get in on entries like we showed you on the Jesus candle. Follow the money too. I mean, if you're a member of Cignals and you're not using the pump map, I mean, if you have the ability to use two screens, use them and follow the intermarket flows of money, right? Because that's what this is, a flow chart for intermarket analysis, showing where fiat and crypto is going at any given moment on an exchange. make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Drop us some comments, just feedback, things you'd like reviewed in future videos, just maybe things you're unsure of on Cignals itself. Anything would be helpful. This way we could help you guys however we can. And if you haven't taken your free trial of Cignals yet, go to cignals.io and check out the offer we have going on, 7 days for free. Go ahead and take advantage of that if you haven't already. And if you're not following us on Twitter, follow us at cignals.io. Thank you to all of you for watching this video, and to all the clients who are currently subscribed. We appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Have a great week of trading.